Hi friends! Alright, today we're going to do a sorting activity. And I'm going to have a little helper with me today. Where are you at?
Here.
What's your name?
Nyla.
How old are you?
5.
Okay. So, remember we read 2 books. One was about our friend Hugh and all of the different sounds that Hugh heard. How do we hear sounds?
With our ears.
And then today we read a book about Ella and talking about all the things that Ella sees and the things that bring us light. What do we use to see?
Our eyes.
That's right. So we hear with our ears and we see
with our eyes.
Okay, so now we have to figure out which items bring us sound and which items bring us light. Okay, let's start. Oh, before we start. Items that bring us sound go here. And
items that
bring
us light go here.
Okay. So, our first item is a
train whistle. Does a train whistle go and
bring us sound
or bring us light? It brings us sound.
That's right. Okay. Our next item is
a horn. Does a horn bring us light or does it make sound? It makes sound.
That's right.
Our
next item is
a flashlight. Does a flashlight bring us light or sound? It brings us light.
Good job.
Does a drum...
Oh, our next item is a
drum roll. Does a drum roll brings us sound or light? It brings us sound.
That's right. Next is a
dog. Does a dog bring us sound?
Light
or sound? It brings us sound.
What kind of sound does a dog make? That's right. A dog barks, so it makes a sound.
Next is the light bulb. Does a light bulb brings us light or sound? It brings us light.
Our next item is
a candle. Does a candle brings us light or does it give us sound? It brings us light.
And last one is
you always have this
a lamp.
A lamp. You have this at your home. Does a lamp go for light? Does it bring you light or does it make you sound? It gets us light.
Good job, Nyla. Okay, so let's go over these items. These items make sound.
And these items bring us light.
Okay, so let's go one by one. Things that bring us sound are a
train whistle, choo choo, a horn, bonk bonk, a dog,
and a
drum, bum bum bum.
Okay, now these don't have sound. These bring us light. This is a
flashlight, a light,
a lamp,
a light bulb,
and a
candle.
All right. All of these items bring us light, and all of these items bring us
sound.
Let's count how many items bring us sound.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Good. And how many items bring us light?
1, 2, 3, 4.
All right. Thanks for helping.
Bye.
Okay, friends. I hope that was fun. We'll continue to read Ella and all of the things that bring her light at the park. And then we will also review Hugh and all of the items that he sees, that he hears and bring him sound. So how do we hear? We use our
ears.
And then how do we see?
With our eyes.
Very good. Okay.
Bye.
Bye.